To make a rain stick, you need the following: 2 pieces of foil, an empty toilet paper or paper towel tube, 1 piece of construction paper, a pair of scissors, glue, and a small cup of beans or rice. To begin, you make 2 pinwheels. Make the inner circle by placing your empty paper towel roll flat on your piece of paper. Take a pen or a Sharpie, trace around the edge of your empty roll. After you've made that circle, draw a larger circle around the small one. The bigger circle doesn't matter because it's going to be cut anyway. Now draw spokes between the 2 circles. The lines should be in pairs of 2. After you draw the pairs of 2, color them in so you cut the right pieces later. Here are the 2 circles that we made earlier. We're going to now take our scissors and cut between the pairs of lines. I have cut a flap between all of the shaded circles. And now we are going to cut those pieces off. Do this step for both circles. Here's what the final flap will look like. Fold the flap in so the colored part is not showing. Take your glue and put a dab of glue on each of the shaded portions. Carefully place the piece of paper on the end of the empty roll and fold down the flaps so that they glue to the sides of the tube. You may have to hold the flaps down until they dry. While the glue is drying, crumple your pieces of foil into snakes. Then wrap the pieces of foil together like a coil. Twist them tightly. It might be necessary to shorten your foil so that it will fit inside of your tube. When the end piece of your tube is dry, place the foil inside the tube. Take your cup of beans or rice and fill the tube till it's about 1/4 of the way full. Glue the last pinwheel on the other end of the tube, just like you did with the other piece. When both ends are dry, you may now shake your tube. Do not draw on your tube yet. We will decorate the tubes later in the week.